How to create an avatar on WhatsApp. If you've wanted or still want to have your own avatar, you can now create one in the WhatsApp application to your liking. To start, open the WhatsApp application. After opening it, click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner. In the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. In the Settings, choose the Avatar option to begin creating your avatar. Click on Create Your Avatar and let your creativity flow. Click on Get Started to start customizing your avatar. You can create the avatar in 2 ways. The first and simpler way is to take a photo of yourself and select the Take Photo option. The second way is to choose the Create Manually option and create it yourself as you wish. We will choose that option. Now the fun part begins. To start, choose the skin tone for your avatar. Click Next. Next up is choosing a hairstyle. You have a variety of hairstyles to choose from, so pick the one you like the most and click Next. Select the hair color, then click Next again. To complete the face, you need to choose the face shape and face width. After making your selection, click Next. Now it's time to focus on the outfit. When you find the right combination, click Done. Save your changes by clicking Save Changes, and your avatar is updated. Continue by clicking Next. Now you can see what your avatar looks like. If you want to make further adjustments, click on the pencil icon next to the avatar. You can go back to the beginning and change the hairstyle, hair color, face shape, face markings, and face lines. Choose the eye shape, eye color, and add eye makeup as desired. For an even more striking look, select the eyebrow shape and thickness, thin, medium, or thick. Pick the eyebrow color. If you like, you can also add a bindi. After eyebrows, it's time to choose the glasses frame and glasses color. Select the nose shape and size, and you can enrich your avatar with one of the offered piercings. The lip shape is also important, and there are different options available, as well as lip fullness. Of course, there are various lipstick colors. For men, there are different beard styles, but we'll skip that for now. There are also different body shapes to choose from. The real wealth of choices lies in the outfits, where everyone can find something that suits them. Complete the outfit with some headwear in the color you desire. Finally, there are ear piercings and hearing aids that we'll skip. All that's left is to save your changes by clicking Save in the upper right corner. Click Next again, and your new avatar is ready. I hope you found this video as interesting as we did. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and stay updated on all the latest news. See you soon.